Today, we're going to talk about the reason why we put salt on snowy or icy roads. We can do this with a simple experiment. To do this experiment at home, you'll just need a couple of things that you probably already have in your kitchen. So you'll need some ice cubes, then you'll need either a bowl, you could use a cup, you could use a plate, some sort of a measurement, a teaspoon or a tablespoon, and then you'll need some salt. So I'm gonna take my bowls that I have here, and we're gonna have two different bowls. And again, you could use a plate or you could use a cup. So I'll put 4 ice cubes in each of my bowls. And then I'm gonna measure out some salt. So one of our bowls, we're just gonna leave with the plain ice cubes. And in the second bowl, we're gonna put some salt on top of our ice. So I'll measure out about almost a tablespoon. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle that right on top of the ice. And then we'll leave that for 5 or 10 minutes and then come back and see what happens. You can see the ice is partially melted. There's quite a bit of water in there now. But when we compare it to the bowl with the plain ice, this is still mostly frozen. So why does this happen? Why does the salt help to melt the ice? The salt doesn't actually melt the ice. What the salt does is it lowers the freezing point of water. That salt helps to disrupt the formation of the ice crystals, and that in turn turns the ice back into liquid water. If you try this experiment at home, maybe try using different types of salt to see if there's something that's more or less effective. Or is there something else that you think might help to melt the ice more effectively? If you try this experiment at home, let me know. Send me an email or send me a message on social media.